Hello, and welcome back. What if I told you that Elasticsearch now makes semantic search as simple as writing a regular text query? Today we're going to journey through the evolution of search, from traditional keyword matching to modern AI-powered semantic understanding. I'll touch upon some important milestones on the way and recommend best practices to fit your specific search use cases. We'll use a sample e-commerce dataset to compare different search methods, and I'll show you why ultimately the semantic text field type is about to change how you think about search implementation. Spoiler alert, it's ridiculously simple compared to what we used to do. By the end of this video, you'll understand why. Let's dive in. Let's start with the baseline, traditional lexical search using BM25. This is what most of us have been using for years. I've got an e-commerce dataset with over 2,500 products loaded in. Let's search for comfortable furniture for a large balcony using a simple match query. And here are our results. The top hit is a Barbie Dreamhouse. So that's not exactly what I had in mind for my balcony. This happened because lexical search matches exact keywords. The Barbie Dreamhouse has furniture in its description, so it matched. But sadly, I won't fit in a Barbie lounger. Lexical search is fast and simple, but it suffers from vocabulary mismatch. It finds exact word matches, but misses the meaning behind what we're actually looking for. What if we want semantic understanding, not just keyword matching? Enter semantic search with dense and sparse vectors. Released in Elasticsearch 8.4, this approach uses embedding models to understand meaning. But wow, look at all this setup complexity. Find the right embedding model for your use case. Then make sure you create an index mapping of the vector with the correct dimensions and similarity algorithm. This method also required us to configure inference pipelines if not done locally. Create configurations to receive incoming data and assign an embedding model to convert the data into a vector. Make sure you have enough compute power to do this, otherwise you'll suffer from latency. And look at this query structure. Just look at it. You need to understand vector fields, embedding models, and then configure candidates and similarity algorithms. But here's the thing, the results are actually much better. We're now finding outdoor patio furniture without the word outdoor even being in our query. The model understands that balcony furniture typically means outdoor furniture. The catch? This was way too complex for most use cases. You're doing all the heavy lifting, managing models, handling vectors, writing complex queries. There has to be a better way. But fear not. Our recent developments have addressed all of this, and inference pipelines and complex mappings are virtually a thing of the past. And here it is, the game changer. Meet semantic text. Elasticsearch 8.15's newest field type that makes semantic search as simple as regular text search. Let me show you the difference. Just change your field type and query like normal text. That's it for the mapping. Just specify the field type and which model to use. Elasticsearch handles all the vector magic behind the scenes. It automatically embeds text data you store in the field. No more inference pipelines to configure and manage, and no more machine learning nodes to monitor. The most recent addition to the Elasticsearch text embedding model list is Jina Embeddings v5 running on the Elastic Inference Service, which makes it easy for developers to add fast, high-quality, and reliable semantic retrieval for search, RAG, and agentic applications. EIS offers fully managed GPU-powered inference with ready-to-use models, no additional setup or hosting complexity required. Oh, and here's the query. Clean, readable, and intuitive. No more vector dimensions, no more complex KNN structures. But here's the beautiful part. We get the exact same high-quality semantic results. Same model understanding, same relevance, but with zero complexity on your end. The benefits are huge. Automatic model management, no pipeline setup required, clean queries, and the same great semantic results. It's like having a semantic search expert built into your field type. But there's another approach that might just be the perfect solution. Hybrid search, the best of both worlds, was released in Elasticsearch 8.16. What if you could get lexical precision and semantic understanding in a single search? This uses something called Reciprocal Rank Fusion, or RRF, released in Elasticsearch 8.16. Think of it as a smart referee that takes results from both lexical and semantic search, then combines them into one ranked list based on what performs best. Once those two result sets are merged, you can use a semantic reranker. Semantic rerankers use machine learning models, such as our cross-encoder models like Jina Reranker v3, to reorder search results based on their semantic similarity to a query. Released with full endpoint support in Elasticsearch 8.18, this technique operates in real time on a small top K result set and can be integrated into search retrieval methods like hybrid search using RRF. An example query structure shows a text similarity reranker can wrap an RRF retriever, incorporating semantic search and keyword search before AI re-ranking the top results in a single API call. Here's what's amazing. The query structure is still simple. You're just defining two retrievers, one for exact keyword matching and one for semantic understanding, and wrapping them up in two ranking modifiers. The results are incredible. You get the precision of exact matches when they matter, plus the intelligence of semantic search for broader understanding. No complex vector management, no cluttered response to clean up. When would you use hybrid search? There's a lot of examples we can think of with our e-commerce item list. Product catalogs where users might search for exact model numbers, or descriptive needs like waterproof hiking boots. Parts lookup where brake pad Mazda CX-5 2016 needs exact matching, but replacement parts for sensible US crossover needs semantic understanding. Fashion retail where red dress size 8 requires precision, but elegant evening wear needs contextual understanding. This is perfect for production environments where you want comprehensive search coverage without the complexity. Lastly, what if you prefer SQL-style queries? Meet ESQL, released in Elasticsearch 8.14. This is a SQL-like query language, and it works beautifully with semantic text. Look how natural this is. ESQL automatically detects the semantic text field type and runs semantic search. You see text, but underneath, it's leveraging vectors for semantic understanding. Same great semantic results, but now in a familiar SQL syntax. This is perfect when you need complex data manipulation alongside search, or when your team is more comfortable with SQL. Think analytics, reporting, or complex data transformations combined with semantic search, all in one query language. So here's my recommendation based on your needs. Start with semantic search. It gives you 80% of the benefits with 10% of the complexity. Clean, simple, and powerful. Level up with hybrid search using RRF. Combines semantic text with lexical search for comprehensive coverage. You get exact matches when they matter and semantic understanding when you need it. Maximize relevance with re-ranking. Add a text similarity re-ranker on top of your hybrid search to intelligently reorder results based on semantic similarity. This gives you the most sophisticated search experience in a single, straightforward API call. Remember, the combination of hybrid search with RRF and semantic re-ranking is the future of search. It's simple, effective, and it just works. I've linked a complete notebook and rundown of search scenarios in a description, along with the originating article that started the journey through our search method history. Great search is now just a field type away. How will you implement these best practices in your application? Let us know in the comments below, or start the conversation in our Discuss and Slack forums. Also check out our Elasticsearch Labs blog for content on a leading edge of gaining the most insight out of your data. Thanks for watching, and happy searching!